Throughout my many relationships, there's been the common theme of my partner feeling not as wanted as they should. And I always wondered, like, is there something wrong with me? But I realized being grade ace was just another part of me. And there's nothing wrong with me. I'm not broken. I just experience sexual attraction and love in a different way. On one side, you have being asexual, and on the other side, you have being allosexual, which is primarily what most people are. And I fall somewhere in the middle where I feel sexual attraction sometimes, not often, and for particular people. It's a beautiful thing to realize that there are a lot of asexual people out there, and the intersections of identity, you can be a lesbian and asexual, you can be trans and asexual, like everyone's different. Like we all experience things differently. And I think the thing that a lot of people forget is that sexuality is a spectrum, and that, includes asexuality as well. I do feel it's important to tell people and to talk about it because I understand that seeing healthy representation of different identities leads to people feeling validated within themselves, and that's really, really valuable and important. This love seat actually represents the comfort that I feel within myself. Like sitting on it, I just feel very comfortable, and that is very reflective of how I feel now. I love myself and I'm very comfortable in my own skin, and yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at.